Welcome. Let's get started. Recording W1. Listen and read. What are the children talking about?
Hello, friends. It's nice to be with you again. We hope you enjoyed Semester 1. The WOW team is here, and we have lots of new things to show you in our magazine.
And of course, we can't wait to hear about your ideas too. You can send us messages about what you want us to talk about and also leave comments on our magazine articles.
Semester 1 was about living in cities, and we also talked about what kind of jobs there are and what each of us would like to do.
We also discussed different kinds of books and what we can do to protect our planet. Semester 2 has a lot more. How about adventure sports and inventions? Join us to find out more.